To start, grab both of your rings and drape them on the opposite side of your dominant hand. Make sure the fabric is straight and pull it around your back. Accordion the end of the fabric. Thread the folded fabric through both rings and pull it all the way through. Separate the rings and pull the fabric through the middle and out through the bottom. Ensure there are no twists in the fabric. Pull the fabric down to adjust the sling. Next, place your elbow inside the sling, keeping it close to your body. Begin to tighten the sling in small sections around your elbow until it feels snug. This should create the perfect amount of space to fit your baby. Place the rings on top of your shoulder. Hold your baby like you're gonna burp them. With your hand on the ring side, put it underneath the fabric to grab your baby's legs. Support baby's head and back as you slide them down into the sling. Hold your baby's neck and knees, then gently bounce them into the sling to settle them. Make sure the fabric is right up to their neck. While holding baby, use your hand on the ring side to tighten the fabric in sections. Continue tightening until your baby's back feels well supported and the fabric is snug across your back. Double check that you can see your baby's nose and mouth and that baby is close enough to kiss. You're all set. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy baby wearing.